On almost any Garmin watch, you can enable a move alert. The principle is the same on any watch, but I will do this tutorial with the Garmin Epix just because the screen looks better. So you will press and hold the menu button to reach the menu, and you will go down to Health and Wellness. You're going to select it, and you will go down to Move Alert. As you can see, this one is off. If I just press here, the start-stop button, to turn it on, it will be enabled, and after some time of not moving, you will get a move alert on your wrist. When you're done, you can press the back button a few times to come back to the main screen. And we are done.
So, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.